What is variable in simple words? A variable is a quantity that may change within the context of a mathematical problem or experiment. Typically, we use a single letter to represent a variable. The letters X, Y, and Z are common generic symbols used for variables. What are variables? Give examples. A symbol for a value we don't know yet. It is usually a letter like X or Y. Example, in X plus 2 is equal to 9. X is the variable. What are three types of variables? An experiment usually has three kinds of variables: independent, dependent, and controlled. Independent variable, what I change. Dependent variable, what I observe. Controlled variable, what I keep the same. There are three types of variables. The independent variable is what you change on purpose in an experiment. Usually there is only one independent variable in an experiment. Ask yourself, what did I change? The dependent variable is what you measure in an experiment. Ask yourself, what do I observe? The controlled variable is the condition that remains the same in an experiment. Ask yourself, what did I keep the same? Parts of the experiment. Type of variable. Independent variables, aka treatment variables. Dependent variables, aka response variables. Definitions: variables you manipulate in order to affect the outcome of an experiment. Variables that represent the outcome of the experiment. How do you explain variables to students? The easiest way to explain variables to kids is with real world examples. The number 3 is a constant. If you say there are 3 apples in a basket, everyone knows exactly how many apples they should expect to see. The number of apples in the basket is 3. Types of variables in statistics. Such variables in statistics are broadly divided into 4 categories, such as independent variables, dependent variables, categorical and continuous variables. Apart from these, quantitative and qualitative variables hold data as nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio. What type of variable is age? Mandal 1 suggests that age can be viewed as a discrete variable because it is commonly expressed as an integer in units of years, with no decimal to indicate days, and presumably hours, minutes and seconds. How do you declare variables? To declare, create a variable. You will specify the type, leave at least one space, then the name for the variable and end the line with a semicolon. Java uses the keyword int for integer, double for a floating point number, a double precision number, and boolean for a boolean value, true or false. What is a variable symbol? Variable symbol, check variable and symbol is an identifier widely used for domestic payments in Slovakia and Czech Republic. Variable symbol is usually used to indicate invoice numbers after omitting any non-numerical characters.